In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use icons in Webflow. Whether you're creating a stunning portfolio, a business site, or just experimenting with web design, icons are a great way to add visual interest and communicate effectively. Let's dive in step by step, starting with logging into Webflow. First, make sure you're logging into your Webflow account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up for a free account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for all your projects, where you can manage and organize your websites. Look for the project you're working on, or start a new one if you're just beginning a fresh project. Next, open your chosen site by simply clicking on it. This action will launch the Webflow Designer, which is where all the magic happens. Now, before you begin adding icons to your site, you'll need to have your SVG file ready. You can download SVG icons from various sites on the internet. Just ensure that the file format is SVG, since Webflow is particularly compatible with this format due to its scalability and quality, regardless of size. With your SVG file ready, head back to the Webflow Designer. Here, you'll want to add an image element to your page. To do this, look in the Elements panel on the left-hand side of the designer. Drag and drop the image element into the canvas area where you want your icon to appear. Once the image element is in place, it's time to upload your SVG file. Click on the image element in the canvas to bring up the Settings panel. You'll see an option to replace the image. Click on it. This opens the Asset Manager, where you'll upload your SVG file. Click the Upload button, navigate to where your SVG file is saved, and select it. Once uploaded, you'll see your icon appear on the canvas in the position where you placed the image element. And just like that, you've successfully added an icon to your Webflow site. Icons can help make your site more user-friendly and visually appealing, so feel free to add more wherever you see fit. You can play around with different sizes and placements to see what works best for your design. Remember, practicing these steps will ensure that adding icons becomes a quick and easy task in your web design process. I hope this tutorial helps you bring more life into your Webflow projects. Keep experimenting and designing,